Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to verify your identity on IRS.gov and get tax return. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser, then search for IRS.gov slash verify return, just like so. Then hit the enter button. Now here you have it. You can verify your return just from here. And it tells you exactly what are the steps, step by step, how to do it. So you need to fill in these. Okay, click on sign in to create account. Then you will have to go through the how do I verify my identity. This is it. Okay, so you can use either a self service process that requires a photo of a government ID and selfie, or a live call with an ID.me video chat agent that doesn't require biometric data. Any selfie video and or biometric data will be deleted automatically except for suspicious or fraudulent activity. If you need help verifying your identity or to submit a support ticket, you can visit the I.me IRS help site. Now we are going to go there. Then we are going to verify the identity, verifying your identity with self-service. This is how we can do it. These are the steps. So you just have to click on submit a video selfie and verify your identity. And that is it. This is how we can actually do it. And I hope this video is useful to you all, guys. Thank you for watching, and goodbye, and see you in a new video. And if you have any questions, you have the comments down below.